I'm back, ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, give it up for Dorothy Davis and her opponent. She's the reigning and defending JWE Fence for Life champion from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Give it up, Maria Bolts. And here we go. Dorothy kicks Rhea Bolts, Rhea in the back, punches in the back. Say hello to Dr. and Buckle. She grabs her now. Throws her into the turnbuckle again. Holy crow. Traps her on. Oh, Dorothy now goes outside the ring. Grabs the ladder. Puts it into the ring. Right back in. She picks it up. Oh, clothesline by Rhea. Bolt by Rhea. Dorothy drops Rhea Bolts down. Falls into ropes. Duck underneath. STO backbreaker connects. Down she goes. Now Rhea drops Dorothy on the back. She picks up the ladder. She hits Dorothy with it. Sets up the ladder. And she's climbing. She's climbing. No. Dorothy drops. Jerk puts her down. Dorothy gets smashed right into the ladder. And she rolls outside the ring. Onto her back. Rhea Bolts is on top of the ladder now. 1 rung. 2 rungs. 3. Oh, just 3. 4. 1 more rung and she'd be still champion. Oh, she's choking in a choke hold. Oh, she punches Dorothy right down. She's climbing down from the ladder. Oh, gets clotheslined. No, they're beating the holy shizzle out of each other. STO backbreaker connects again. She falls down. Dorothy has a chance. She's climbing up. Can she do it? No. Oh, no. No, she cannot. Dorothy's on top of the ladder with Rhea Bolts here. This match is insanity. Uh-oh. Oh, no. The suplex from the top of the ladder. Both women are down. Rhea Bolts goes outside the ring. She is down and out. Dorothy now has a chance. Can she do it? Can she do it? Can she dethrone it? No. She's getting punched, dropped. Dorothy now back on her feet. She's punching her now. She's gonna, oh, too late. Here is your winner. And still, the JWE Women's Fence for Life champion, Rhea Bolts. I'll be back.